So at the moment I'm in China, in downtown Guangzhou, and I was out for a walk this evening. It's a really hot, nice evening. We're in the middle of a big, vibrant, buzzing city. A guy's just driven past on a bicycle with a huge gas cylinder on the side, and you see all these crazy bicycles and stuff. But what I noticed is, as I was passing, there was this shop, and I just noticed it wasn't all the sex toys in the window, all the scantily clad ladies, but the smile on this man's face. And you see, he's actually holding a big, massive tray of maca root, and that is probably the main reason why last year the price of maca root powder went through the roof, because it's been promoted now in China as well as many other countries as a very potent aphrodisiac, improves sexual function, male sperm count, and very good for balancing the hormones. And you can see by the smile on this man's face, he's been getting probably a very profound benefit from it. So we'll just sort of a wee snapshot saying hi from China and just check it out.